Hello friends and welcome to another episode of the Pop Culture Cafe. I am Huck, and as you can tell by the attire for today's episode, we are sporting the Central Perk hat, the Central Perk t-shirt, and we have ourselves the Friends glass to drink our delicious iced tea out of. That is because the theme for today obviously is Friends. But what are we doing? Are we doing a Blu-ray collection, a DVD collection? No siree. We are going to do a Funko Pop unboxing today. Okay? As you can see above me right here, I got my 6 Friends over my shoulder. These were a previous run of the characters. I never did get the original run because by the time I got into Funko Pops, they were way too expensive, man. Way too expensive. So I've decided with myself that once Funko Pops become unaffordable, I don't care. I don't need them that bad. If I can get them when they come out at the good price, we're good to go. So, a new batch of Friends Funko Pops just got released, and I am excited to unbox them with you today. So, let's get started. Oh. Alright, here we go. Big old box sitting right here. Got our trusty little knife and slice it across there. Alright. Think we're good to go now. Alright, here's the 2 boxes that were inside the big box. I've already scored them open so that we can jump right in, alright? So, to give you a little background, I love Friends. It is probably my favorite comedy. I can sit down and watch it any time. I feel like the writing is so strong that any episode I just tune into, it's still hilarious. It's still really good. The characters are just so well defined and so well written that I was excited to grab some Funko versions of my favorite Friends. Ooh, guys, check this out. I did not realize, but these all came in a protective cover. That is excellent. Digging that little bonus. So there's the first one, Ross Geller in his, Spudnik costume. If you remember that, he dressed as a potato with a colander on his head and he was Spudnik. It's hilarious. Alright, coming up next, we have Chandler in the pink bunny costume. And if you can recall in the show, what did Monica say? Well, Chandler, it was either that or no pink bunny at all. And he's like, always no bunny at all! So good. But he still wore it, and it was kind of funny. Alright. Oh, little Rachel Green. She is in her lovely pink dress. It's the one that she wore to the wedding. Excellent. Keep them coming, keep them coming. Oh, yeah, Monica. I love me some Monica, y'all. She's just hilarious. I'm a huge Courtney Cox fan, too. I loved her in Masters of the Universe, of course. If you saw that, I did a video earlier on Masters of the Universe. But there she is in her Catwoman outfit. Most excellent. That's what she was wearing when Chandler was wearing the pink bunny. I say more pink bunny. And who do we have here? Oh, this is great. Check it out. So this is Phoebe Buffay in her smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Do you remember that? So of course you do. If you're a Friends fan, it's like, it's so quotable. It's on that glass. I'll spin that glass around and show you. It's like filled with Friends quotes. But this is when she was doing her music video, and there she is with her smelly cat and all dolled up. All right, so let's switch to the next box. All right, there we go. Second box ready to go. Now there's going to be less than this one, 2 more left. And remember, we do have a Gunther pop in here, but I ordered a second Gunther from Amazon hoping that it's the Chase version of Gunther. But you don't know if you're going to get the regular pop or the Chase version. So we're going to open that one last, because if I get the Chase, I'm keeping it. And it's going to go with these 6 Friends. And then they'll have Friends and the Gunther for that one. But if it's a repeat, I'll either send it back or sell it. But fingers crossed for that Chase, y'all. Alright, let's see what we got in here. I'm just going to go ahead and do Gunther last. I'm going to do a little Joey. Alright, there's the Joey. He's wearing his white cowboy attire. This is when he was a fragrance salesman, and he was in competition with this other guy who was wearing a black cowboy suit selling a rival fragrance. So that was good stuff. And now, of course, last but not least, our boy Gunther. Cleaning out his mug, because, you know, Gunther's all about keeping an orderly cafe. So now let's dig out the Amazon Gunther and see if we got ourselves that chase that we're hoping for. All right, stand by. All right, here we go. Amazon package filled with a Gunther pop. See what we got. Put this knife to work and hope that we got ourselves the chase. Okay, here it is. The magic moment. We're gonna open it so that you guys can see it along with me. Ready? Here we go. And do we get it? Do we get it? Do we get it? Ha! Yeah! Look at it, 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 look at it. See, there it is. Chase, y'all! That's what we were hoping for. And he's got the, what sign is it? He's holding his little sign there. Oh, yeah. All right. So we now have officially both Gunthers. So we got very lucky. Thank you very much, Amazon, for hooking me up with the chase of Gunther. Now I don't have to send it back because, you know, you can't have two of the same Gunthers, you know. So this is fantastic. So now we will have the Gunther that came with these to go there. And then this little guy will go up on the shelf behind me to hang out with those friends. So this is fantastic, guys. What a fun Funko haul we just had with our friends. Good stuff, good stuff. Let me know if you guys are also Funko Pop collectors, and if you do you focus in on certain things? Like, are you the movie collector, or the TV shows, or superheroes, DC or Marvel? Or are you more of into anime or something like that? Everyone, what I love about Funko Pop is it has so many licenses. You can have any fandom you want, and odds are there are Funko Pops with that fandom. There's 80s TV icons. You got your Magnum PI, your Mr. T, your Crockett and Tubbs from Miami Vice. Like, it's all there. It's all there. So let me know in the comments below if you are a collector of Funko Pops, and if you are, what is your niche? Or do you have a niche? Or do you just, like, whatever's cool, you just go for it? You know, because sometimes that's cool too. I've picked up many a pop just because I thought it was kind of cool looking. I got some for my daughter. She's into Minecraft, so we got a bunch of Minecraft Funko Pops. And there's this cat Pusheen that kids are into. She got one of those. I'm telling you, there is a Funko Pop for everything. And there it is, fresh out of the crate, y'all. All 6 Friends Funko Pops, including the 2 Gunthers and the 1 Chase Funko Pop of Gunther from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. Woohoo! That's my Ross impression. Oh, speaking of, here's the glass I meant to show you. It's got all the these super famous quotes. Of course, how you doing? You know, everybody knows that one. You know, smelly cat. Oh, there's pivot. And the classic, we were on a break. So, had to have that Friends glass to go along with today's episode so we could really bring it home. All right, y'all, this has been a blast. Check this out. I'm so pumped. I can't wait to get these up on the shelf. This concludes today's episode. Thank you so much for checking it out. Do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe and smash that bell so you get notified on my next video. And the next time, I will catch you later.